Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by importing the ProRes log file straight into Capcut. If it refuses to play, transcode to compatible ProRes or create a lightweight proxy. Once imported, make sure the project color handling is neutral so you preserve the log information rather than auto-correcting it. Create a 1/2 resolution proxy if your system struggles. This keeps playback smooth and lets you perform primary corrections quickly without dropped frames or slow scrubbing. Once your proxy and neutral project are ready, tackle exposure first. Raise shadows to reveal detail and gently reduce highlights to recover blown areas. Make small white balance shifts to remove color casts because log footage is very desaturated. This restores natural skin tones. Next, apply a subtle S-curve for pleasing midtone contrast. This brings image life without clipping. Make each adjustment in measured steps, so you retain grading latitude for the creative look later on. Finish by applying a creative LUT or handcrafting color. Push saturation selectively, refine skin tones, and balance highlights and shadows for a cohesive look. Once done, toggle split screen or a before/slash after to confirm the grade improves the log neutral baseline. Apply only light sharpening and noise reduction. Overdoing either kills texture. For export, choose ProRes or H.264, matching your source frame rate, and include color metadata if available. If colors look off after export, check color space mismatches between Capcut and your player as the first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.